Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from C3 card to bank account in UAE. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar, you need to search for C3 Pay app. So with the help of C3 Pay app only, you will be able to send money with the help of your payment methods to the bank account in UAE. So it is must for you to download this application in your device. Now, once the downloadation and the installation is complete, you just have to simply launch the app and log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, your home page should look something like this, where in the top you will see your current balance. Over here, you just have to tap on the send money option in the middle, and then you will be landed on this send money page. Over here, you just have to do nothing but to just click on this send money now option and provide your recipient's detail. Over here, you will see your previously used recipients, but you can even select others by tapping on the country and then providing the recipient details. Now, if you want to select your payment method, you can also do that. So you need to tap on the send now option right next to it, and you will see this type of slider in front of you. Over here, you will have to enter the amount that you want to send. You can use this slider for that. After that, press next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to transfer money from your C3 card to the bank account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.